Hey guys, and welcome to Digit. Today we have with us the crucial Ballistix 8GB DDR4 RAM, which has a clock speed of 3200 MHz. So let's take a look at the packaging. So over here we've got the capacity of the RAM, which is 8GB. This is a single stick of RAM. We've got a performance of DDR4, and we've also got a clock speed of 3200. We've also got the voltage here of 1.35. So let's turn it around and see if we can get any more details. So over here we've got the packaging and manufacturing details, and that's about it. So let's open this up. So like we mentioned before, we've got a single stick of RAM in here, and there's no other information inside the packaging, so let's keep that aside. So here we have the crucial Ballistix 8GB RAM unpackaged. As you can see, it's got a metallic build, and if we turn it around, we can see that we've got the Ballistix branding on both sides of the RAM, and we've also got a little more information on the back here, which is essentially the same as that's on the packaging: 8GB capacity, DDR4, and a clock speed of 3200. It's also got a very minimalistic but still has a gamerish aesthetic to it, so it would not look out of place in PC gaming rigs. And that's about it for the crucial Ballistix 8GB DDR4 RAM. Thank you for watching.